as contractors now, in many areas are putting in these locking caps, and we have keys to lock them and to unlock them, so our service techs can go out and service and maintenance them. Even on the packages, it says that these locks are for sale to licensed AC technicians only, meaning that it's such a serious situation to where in the units where this Freon is what allows your house to remain cool, this Freon that is being huffed, we have caps that are back here that we put onto the air conditioner lines at the condensing units to where it doesn't allow for the common person that's not in our field or trade to access it to where they're able to get high and to possibly harm themselves. So with that said, we as a company want to inform others and reach out to others and share that this is becoming more of a bigger epidemic.